Being a pioneer is to dream a path that doesn't exist and to lead the way step by step. Being a pioneer is to know that change on the surface can transform everything and to manage that change. Being a pioneer is to be in love with your business, to constantly improve your expertise, and to raise the scale of quality higher with each step. Being a pioneer is to put people at the center of everything, to work and produce together, and to be happy to convey your expertise to all of your stakeholders. Being a pioneer is to constantly evolve without settling for less, but to progress, giving confidence whether it's one step or thousands of kilometers. Being a pioneer is to be proud that the path you've created turns into a large sector, but to constantly adapt yourself and to give confidence with your pioneering vision. Being a pioneer is to act courageously and to know how to grow under any circumstances and continue growing stronger. Being a pioneer is to give your brand name to your sector. Cimstone, a pioneer.